Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos, and we're going to do one that we haven't done in a while, which is an unboxing video. Now I'll caveat from the beginning, this is just an unboxing. This is not going to be a product demonstration. Those are going to come later. And what am I talking about? The R0DE Wireless Pro. Now I've been super excited about this one ever since I heard some of the specs on it. It's got time code, which I'm not sure is going to be completely useful for what I do since I use my iPhone for a camera, but the big one is the 32-bit float. So let's see what's inside the box. So we come over here and this is what the box looks like. And let's get it open. And as usual, like I said, this is going to be a true unboxing video. So there's the box inside the box, and let's see what's inside the box. Now notice immediately it's got these really cool charging cases. I think one's a carrying case, one's a charging case. That's super cool. So let's move all aside and get all the stuff out. Alright, so there's the cable that comes with it, and these would appear to be the quick instructions. And inside this case we have, oh, more cables, connectors, and all kinds of cool stuff. Let's open up the other case too, just to see what we got. And there are the units. So, we have here, oh, it looks like it's already charged. So that looks like, is that one of the receivers? Yeah, so we've got transmitter, receiver. So these are ready to go as is. That's pretty cool. So I'm going to put those back in there because, as you can see, we've got the charging case, so they fit right down, so that the USB-C charger is going to go right down there. And look how it's contoured so it can fit in the clip. Very, very cool. We'll put that in, and we'll put that in. Excellent. So those are our units. But let's see what other goodies came with it. So we've got all kinds of stuff. I know, I'm just kind of doing a dump here. Alright, so inside the second case we've got the wind fuzz balls, plenty of them. Oh, we've got 2 for the transmitters, 2 for the lavalier mics, and a third one for the transmitter. So you got a spare one in the transmitter plus 2 for the labs. Very, very cool. And I'm alluding to this. This comes with 2 lavalier mics. Now, using the units as they are is pretty cool. And I mean, if you've been watching videos of anybody, you've been seeing them have the squares up in the videos. Well, with the lav, you can position this a lot closer to where it needs to be. So instead of having the brick right here, you can have the mic right here. You can run it through your shirt, and that will keep it out of frame. Like I said, I've seen a lot of people on YouTube that have them on there. It's not that big of a deal, but it's just one way to kind of jazz up your videos. So then we come back over, so we'll get the labs out of the way, but it comes with the 2 labs. That's super cool. All kinds of lab accessories. So these are going to be the clips that are going to go onto those mics, as well as the windbreakers on those. Desiccant. This is not chiclets. Do not eat it. 2 more charging cables. Oh, that is super useful. So we've got a USB-C to C, but then we've also got the USB-C to Lightning. This is something that has been a complaint of mine back with the R0DE Wireless Go 2, is it didn't connect really well to my iPhone. And I had to use a USB-C to USB-C, or actually USB-C to USB-A, and then an adapter into that. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, a little bit flaky. So I really appreciate having this direct connectivity from the unit in there, and it's just all built into it. So that is a really cool cable to have. And then of course we've got the TRS to TRS. So that's going to be like your monitoring on that. And then it looks like you've got a little carrying bag for all your stuff. And then again, little fuzz balls for your mic. super cool, all the stuff that's included. This is just the next evolution of this stuff, because when I got the R0DE Wireless Go 2, it came with a carrying bag that kind of fit it, but it didn't fit all the cables, so I had to get a wire dop for that. I had to get adapters to be able to connect it in. This is slick, so I'm super excited to start getting to use this unit, and I'm going to start using it this week, but I just want to unbox to show what's in the box, because the $399 street price is a little bit hefty, but there's a whole bunch of stuff you don't have to buy as a result of it. So stay tuned for more. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll catch up with you next time.
If you're facing a unique problem with podcasting or remote learning, we can help. Reach out to us at thepodcastingstore.com and we'll see what solutions we can find for you. And if you like what you hear, do me a favor and tell a friend. Follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and sign up for our e-newsletter, and you'll never miss another podcast or video again. This is Drew with thepodcastingstore.com. Thank you for listening.